Hi everyone, Rod Cruce with Trifecta Growth Institute. Today I want to talk about project management, reality versus perspective. Now reality is a state or things as they actually exist, also known as fact or truth. Perspective is a point of view and everyone has their own perspective. Now whether that perspective is true or not depends on which lens you're looking through. In situations where reality is not always known, something new can surface. The perception of reality. More on that in a few moments. For instance, if you see a project manager always running around acting like a firefighter, is your perspective the person has a very difficult job that is always forcing them to be reactive? Or is your perspective the project manager didn't create a project plan which is forcing them to be reactive? Either way, neither one is good, nor the way I would want my project manager to be perceived. The reason being is how clients and others on the project team view their project manager is a direct reflection of your company and can create another perspective, a lack of confidence in their ability to perform on their project. Now the above mentioned perceptions are just a couple that have been given to us when we survey project team members about their perspectives on project managers. In some companies, the perception is the project manager has a very difficult position and running around is just part of the landscape. In other companies, the perception is the project manager doesn't have a clue of what they are doing. Another is the company doesn't do anything to assist the project managers and they are on the island all by themselves. In others, you fill in the blank. The list goes on and on and on. If you're a manager, executive leadership, or an owner, this should raise a serious question. What is reality? Now one can easily jump to a conclusion based on what they see or hear from others. In reality, it may not be either one of those perspectives and actually be something totally different. That is why you must gather information, look at contributing factors, assess and evaluate what is really taking place. Then communicate it to everyone. For those who want to change their perspective, you must ask yourself, what can I do that will change the way I am being viewed and help change the view to a perception with reality? If you're a senior leader or owner, you must ask the same question, but from a position of how you are going to enable the change to take place for the project manager. There is no denying that project managers have a difficult job, and they are the linchpin to a restoration company. If they always feel like there is never enough time, never enough resources, or understand how to project manage correctly, there will always be a perception of reality. At Trifecta Growth Institute, we see this on a regular basis in many companies we work with. Most project managers, senior leaders, and owners believe being a firefighter is the normality of the project manager's job. Now this is their perception of reality, a perception that is flawed and the reason for a significant amount of burnout in the industry. To change this perception of reality and determine what reality is, we must ask a simple question. Have we trained our project managers to do what is being asked of them? Are we providing them with the knowledge, understanding, tools, and techniques and skills required for them to be successful? If not, then a disservice is taking place. Trifecta suggests every company do some type of survey or assessment to get fidelity on what is taking place in their organization. If you're not sure how, then reach out to us. If you know you need to change the perception or need help formally training project managers, then check out our project manager training course, The Linchpin. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching Trifecta's Project Tip of the Week. If you're not aware, our mission is to elevate the industry and grow businesses by growing people. If you found this information valuable and want to learn more, visit us at trifectagrowthinstitute.com and get the latest and greatest training, leadership, and coaching in the industry. Finally, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook so you can get more of these great tips and upcoming course information. All right, until next time, this is Rod, and I will see you later.